I am Tim with Hudson Valley Living, Homes, and Views. Welcome to 208 Montgomery Street in Newburgh, New York. Set high on a hillside in the heart of New York State's largest historic district, this 1850s four-story residence opens to breathtaking, uninterrupted views of the Hudson River and surrounding mountains. This is a home where history, light, and landscape truly come together. Let's head inside. The moment you enter, you feel the weight of history and the clarity of thoughtful design. Restored period windows, original millwork, and 4 fireplaces anchor the home in its 19th century origins, while high ceilings and clean lines create a feeling that's both classic and serene. The renovation here is incredibly well considered. Historic features have been preserved with care. Each modern intervention is pared back and deliberate, letting the architecture and the natural light shine. At the center of the home is this beautifully reimagined kitchen, designed for the modern chef. You've got bespoke cabinetry, hidden appliances, and a minimalist layout that's both functional and refined. It's the perfect space to gather with friends, cook with a view, and entertain effortlessly. The home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with incredible flexibility for growth. Up here, the attic is already prepped with plumbing and electrical, making it ideal for a primary suite, studio, or office. And downstairs, the finished garden level has its own direct outdoor access, perfect for a guest suite, rental, or a creative workspace. This is one of my favorite spaces in the house. The expansive deck extends the main living area outward, almost floating above the river and the valley. Whether it's morning coffee, sunset gatherings, or simply quiet reflection, this view never gets old. The private grounds below offer both sanctuary and possibility, gardens, terraces, or spaces to design your own retreat. Located just minutes from New York's riverfront, Beacon's Metro North Station, and the cultural and natural landmarks of the Hudson Valley, 208 Montgomery is secluded yet connected. And for those looking to expand, historic tax credits are available to support future restoration projects. With provenance linked to Calvert Vaux, the co-designer of Central Park, this residence is more than a home. It's a living piece of architectural history, recast for modern life. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 208 Montgomery Street. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or learn more, all the details are below. I'll see you next time.